Self-employed and think you're covered because you have health insurance? Workers' comp does what health insurance can't. Health insurance may pay for medical treatment, but it doesn't replace your income if you're unable to work. That's where voluntary workers' comp comes in for self-employed professionals and independent contractors. It can cover medical expenses after a work-related injury, lost wages while you recover, and rehabilitation costs if you need therapy or retraining. For certain industries, especially construction, electrical, and plumbing, your state or clients might require proof of coverage. Even if it's optional where you live, having it protects your livelihood and keeps you competitive in the job market. The cost is usually a fraction of what a single accident could set you back. Next Insurance lets you apply online and get proof of coverage instantly. So you can focus on work, not worry. Click the link in the description now to get your instant quote.